Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make sun fairy doll with crepe paper. If interested, you can join online painting classes. This is imported crepe paper sheet. I am cutting into half. This is also called duplex paper. This half sheet I am going to open and then make the folds. Now tie this with thread tightly. Now I am taking orange sheet and I am making 2 pleats and then pinning it. Take 2 pleats and keep pinning them till the sheet is over. Now in the end, close it and just pin it up in the top, and in the bottom apply glue and stick it. On top inside apply glue all around and now press the top portion. Now I am folding the yellow sheet and drawing a sunflower petal and then cutting it. This is a double color crepe paper. One side is light yellow and the other side is golden yellow. Now I am keeping this petal on crepe paper and cutting more petals of same size. Take a scale and turn the petals as I am doing. Now I am applying glue and sticking all the petals all around. Now I am drawing a small petal of same shape. As down petals are yellow, now the top petals will be golden yellow. This doll is orange, yellow, then golden yellow, the monocolor scheme. am taking 8 by 10 cm 2 tissue papers and making rounds. Cover the tissue rounds with crepe paper and stick them with glue. Apply glue and stick these rounds. Now take 25 by 8 tissue paper and make a round for head portion. Now take white tape and 5 thin wires and now make fingers by rolling at the ends of these wires. Now twist the wires. Cut according to the size. Now take white crepe paper and cut a thin long piece. Apply glue to this long piece and now stick this piece to the wires. Take white crepe paper for head portion. Using hot glue gun to stick these hands and the head portion. For hair I am taking golden brown color. If you have quilling tool, you can roll the hair with it. Now I am drawing a drop shape and making a small flower of 4 or 5 petals. The calyx of flower. In same way I made the another flower in black color. Placing this flower in the hand of the doll. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on techniques of painting and craft works. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye.